Welcome back to CW channel Monday. Hey guys, check this out. I need to make a video for you. This is a 2004 Lexus RX 330. It's the SUV. I want to point out something. This is a new rotor for the front. And the old rotor, you see how shiny it looks? It looks kind of like railroad tracks looking there. That means that this rotor is actually worn out. It means it causes vibration when you stop, squealing noise, stuff like that. But what I'm pointing out today is when you're doing a job like this, before you take the rotor out, you're gonna need some tools. This is a half-inch ratchet with a 17mm socket on it. You'll need that. Take the caliper bolts out just to get this rotor off. And then we're going to also change out the brake pads as well. This is on the front of the vehicle. We already did the back, but hey, just thought we'd point out something quick for you. But if you ever have one of these cars or anything similar to it, your same procedure, well, I tell you what, subscribe, like, and love the comments.